Large, open pores can make your skin look uneven, older, and even dirtier than it actually is. And here's the disturbing part. The more clogged they get, the bigger they stretch, making them nearly impossible to cover. But don't panic. While you can't erase pores completely, because they are a natural part of your skin, the good news is you can shrink their appearance dramatically with the right routine. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through a science-backed skincare routine that actually works. We'll talk about what to use at night, what to use during the day, and most importantly, why timing matters. Stay with me, because this is where most people go wrong. Hello friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. Pores are tiny openings in your skin that release oil and sweat. They are essential. Without them, your skin couldn't breathe. But here's the problem. When oil, dirt, or dead skin cells pile up, the pores stretch out and look bigger. Now, a lot of people think only oily skin types struggle with this, but that's not true. Genetics, aging, and sun exposure can all make pores more visible. For example, as you age, your skin loses collagen, which is like the support structure holding your pores tight. Without it, they loosen and widen. So the goal here isn't to close your pores. That's a myth. Instead, we want to clean them, strengthen the skin around them, and protect them. That's what makes them look smaller. The night routine, repair and renewal. Nighttime is when your skin heals and repairs itself, so this is where you bring out the heavy-duty treatments. Retinol, 3 to 4 nights a week. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, and it's like the superstar of skincare. It boosts cell turnover, unclogs your pores, and even stimulates collagen production. The more collagen your skin has, the tighter those pores look. But remember, it's powerful, so start slowly, maybe twice a week, then build up to 3 to 4 nights. Always use a pea-sized amount, and follow with a moisturizer. Salicylic acid, 2 nights a week. On the nights you're not using retinol, bring in salicylic acid. This is an oil-soluble exfoliant, which means it can dive deep into your pores, break down oil, and remove all the gunk that stretches them open. It also prevents blackheads and breakouts, which are pore-stretching nightmares. Never mix retinol and salicylic acid on the same night. That's too harsh and can damage your skin barrier. Instead, alternate between them. Retinol one night, salicylic the next, then maybe a rest day in between with just moisturizer if your skin feels sensitive. The morning routine, protection and prevention. Daytime skincare is all about protection, because this is when your skin is exposed to UV rays, pollution, and dirt. And these are all things that enlarge pores over time. Niacinamide. This ingredient is like a vitamin boost for your skin. It helps regulate oil production, brightens your skin, and strengthens your barrier so your pores don't get inflamed or stretched. Plus, it pairs well with almost anything, so you don't have to worry about irritation. Sunscreen. This is the absolute non-negotiable. Think of sunscreen as your pore insurance. Without it, sun damage breaks down collagen, and once collagen is gone, your pores sag and look permanently bigger. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning, even if it's cloudy or you're staying indoors. Trust me, future you will thank you. Why timing matters. Here's something people always ask me. Why can't I just use all these products whenever I want? Well, the answer is timing. Retinol and salicylic acid should only be used at night, because sunlight makes them unstable and can actually make your skin more sensitive to burns. Niacinamide and sunscreen are safe during the day and actually protect your skin against all the environmental stresses you face. So think of it this way, nights are for repair, mornings are for defense. Bonus tips for smaller-looking pores. Besides the main routine, here are a few extra tips that can make a big difference. Always remove makeup before bed. Sleeping with makeup clogs pores like crazy. Don't over-exfoliate. Scrubbing too hard irritates skin and can actually make pores look bigger. Stay hydrated. Yes, even drinking water helps your skin maintain elasticity. And finally, be consistent. Pore care is a marathon, not a sprint. It can take 6 to 8 weeks before you see visible changes, but stick with it and the results will come. So to wrap it up, large pores are normal, but they don't have to define your skin. With a smart routine, retinol and salicylic acid at night, niacinamide and sunscreen in the morning, you can refine your pores, strengthen your skin, and boost your confidence every time you look in the mirror. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who's struggling with pore problems, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based skincare tips that actually work. And hey, let me know in the comments, which product are you most excited to try first, retinol, salicylic acid, or niacinamide? I'd love to hear your answers.